We'll guide you through how to download and install the Create mod in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really cool mod to be able to go and have, because it goes and adds in lots of different new items. We're going to guide you through this step by step. To get started, let's go and close out of Minecraft like so. You need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. Go and search for a site called CurseForge, like so, and come to curseforge.com. Go and select Minecraft. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server to go and play with your friends, check out the link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. So we can go and scroll down and check out some of their great features. You go and get a free subdomain, making it easy to connect, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support for your always online server, and automated backups. So you can go and get a server and go and get playing really quickly. And then you can get your friends to join as well. So what we're going to do here is on CurseForge is you can press search at the top and go and type in create, literally just like that. Here it is here. You want to go and click on it. Now what you can do is you can go and scroll down here. You can scroll down the description and go and read about it. But to go and get started with it, go and press files. And then we can go and find the most up-to-date version, or you could get an older version if you wanted. But the most up-to-date is 1.21.1. And we're going to go and get it for Neo4j. So press download to the right, and now you can go and wait. You can see the countdown there, and it's then downloaded. It's been blocked, so let's click on it and then go and press download. Now we've downloaded that. We now need to go and get Neo4j. So let's go and type in Neo4j. Come to neo4j.net. We need to go and get the correct version. So where it says Minecraft version, go and click there and scroll back. So if we go and look at what we got it for 1.21.1. So let's go and find that there, and we've got it selected. And then you can go and press click here to download installer. Then we need to go and click on it and press download a verified file. Now what you can do is come out of your web browser and go and open up your file explorer and come into your downloads. What we need to do is go and run Neo4j. So go and double click on it like so. Now if you find this doesn't open, try right clicking on it, hover over open with and press choose another app and go and select Java TM Platform SE binary. Then press always. You need to scroll down to go and find it, and it should then launch. If it still doesn't, come back to your web browser. And what you want to do is go to java.com, wait for it to load, and you can go and download Java for desktops. Click that there and you can go and download it and install it. Then try right clicking it and running it again. If that still doesn't work, go and do the jar fix. You can search online for jar fix and go to the site and do it. We've actually got a guide on how you can go and fix Java files not opening as well. So you can go and follow that and use jar fix, get this open and press proceed. Press OK when it's finished, and then press search at the bottom, and we need to go and type in Minecraft launcher. Wait for the launcher to run and press installations at the top. Scroll down and go and find Neo4j and press the folder icon to the right. Then in here, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the mods folder. Then we want to come and find our downloads where creators, and click and drag that in. Then what you can do is go and press play over to the right and press play again and wait for it to run. Press mods and you can see create there. Here we are. So you can press E to open your inventory and press the arrow at the top, and then we can go and see create.